Wait, hold up. Oh, I messed it. I don't even know how to do this part.
Pressure.
Hold up.
Appreciate that. Let's get into some of your hobbies or some of your talents that you have. I know you brought with us a Rubik's Cube, if you don't mind me pulling that up.
Yeah, sounds good.
How do you solve that?
Solve it? It's a few things. I mean, it's already solved.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it up for you.
All right,
and
sounds
then
good.
you're gonna.
I'm not like the best at it.
The pressure's on.
Yeah, because there are people out there that can solve in like what 5-10 seconds. And
Yeah.
I'm like maybe a minute.
That's pretty quick for me, bro. I tried it. I think I can get under like 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
I'm not that quick with it.
You
but
know how to
can't
solve it?
I do know how to solve it,
bro.
I do know how to solve it. Yes,
All
but
right,
it takes me a while. All right.
All
This
right.
is pretty mixed up.
All
All right, Mike. Pressure's on you. Go for it.
You know what? Let's play some music for him. Hold on. Don't start yet.
I'm
Give me
not.
2
I
seconds.
just gotta inspect the cube first. That's like the first
Okay.
thing you gotta do. Inspect the cube and all the positionings.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let me know when to start.
Just give me a second.
Oh
give me
boy,
a
did you
second.
put some dramatic music on? Or
Yeah, I'm gonna put your main song on
the
just to make
main
it comfortable.
song. Well, what is this? Oh, I
Yeah.
see.
All right.
I see.
Mark, go.
Okay. I'm gonna try and like finish this before the song ends.
Sure.
Yeah. Shit. Oh, he's going at it. That was it. Yeah, boy. Almost messed it up.
go.
He's got
It's
one
coming,
time.
it's
I messed
coming.
it up.
It's coming. Keep going.
Wait, hold up. Oh, I messed it. I don't even know how to do this part.
Pressure.
Hold up. There you go. I got that. Shit. Oh, he's there. I almost got it. Oh, I messed it up again. Usually I'm not the greatest at this. The pressure's on, man. I start like.
There you go.
choking.
Now just the corner.
You're there,
Now
man.
just
You're
the
almost
corner.
there. Let's go.
Yeah. Wait, I messed it up again. Oh my god, I messed it. Yeah, I haven't done this in a long time, so I'm rusty.
That's all
As
good.
you can see.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Corner.
Oh, there you go. Okay, I got it.
There you go.
Two more. Now we just do this.
Yeah.
And
We're good.
there we go.
Let's
Hey, let's go.
And it was under the song. Let's
It
go.
was under the song. I think that was a minute. Yeah. I think it was a minute.
Give him 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
How's that
That's
pressure like?
awesome.
I was feeling the heat there.
Watch me do this right now. Ready? Ooh, it looks mixed up. Watch this. Ready? It's coming. 3, 2.
I feel like you just do the same
One.
steps back and forth.
Oh.
Let's go.
I know damn well you just did the same steps. You didn't memorize them. Don't act like you know how to solve that.
Yeah, that's right. I don't know. Wow, Mike.